Hi, Lakeview online students. It's Mrs. Hanson, the music teacher. And in class, we've been talking about harmony and chords. So let me introduce you to these new vocabulary words. We've got harmony. Go ahead and say it. Harmony. And we've got chord. Go ahead and say it. Chord. So this definition's big, but we'll break it down together. The combination of simultaneously sounded musical notes to produce chords and chord progressions having a pleasing effect. What does that mean? I got that out of the dictionary, and that's kind of a confusing definition. The combination, so think in terms of combo, like when you get a combo meal at McDonald's, you might get a burger, a drink, and some fries. Well, this is a combo of notes that are played simultaneously or at the same time. Combination of notes played at the same time, having a pleasing effect. So let's pretend that we're going to the piano to make our musical combo meal, our harmony. I'm going to pick two notes. I'm going to pick middle C. Now, maybe I've mentioned before that notes get letters of the alphabet. So here on the piano, our notes go from A to G and then start over again. This note is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then we're to the next A. A, B, C, so we're right here on middle C. And I'm going to give him a partner. I'm going to make a combo meal to make a beautiful harmonious sound. So we're going to skip D and we're going to go to E. I'm going to play C and E together. And that's a nice harmony. Now I could move all over the piano and make harmony. And that's very nice. But I could add a third note and I could make what's called a chord. I kind of think of chords as building blocks, notes that are kind of stacked together. So if we look at the definition of chord, let's go back to the whiteboard. A group of typically 3 or more notes sounded together or simultaneously at the same time, and it forms a basis of harmony. So usually those chords make some kind of a harmonious or pleasant sound together. So let's stack a third friend into our combo meal. We've got C, E, and we'll stack G. Now we've got a nice C chord stacked like blocks on top of C's. I could go back down to A, maybe this A down here. I could make harmony with C, or I could stack E and make a nice chord. Kind of has a sad sound right there, right? Let's make one more chord. I think I'm going to go F. So C, D, E, F. I'm going to stack an A and stack a C. And those are making a nice pleasant sound, a harmonious sound, and they're all stacked on F, so we call it an F chord. Because I don't have a piano for everybody in class, I've gotten out these bells. Right here, see how they're all colored? And every color is representing a different note. So we've got C, and then we'll take a step up like we would on the piano. Whoops, that's a high B. So maybe we could go backwards. C. Now if you go backwards on the alphabet, we've got B next. Then we've got A. Let's see, let me look for an A. Here it is, it's this blue one. A. C, B, A. Now we've got to find a G, which is light blue. And then we've got an F, which is green. So we're just stepping down the scale, stepping down the notes. E, which is yellow. D, which is, I believe, orange. Here it is. And we're back to C again, and the lower C is red when you play with the bells. Okay. So here is what we call our scale, all of those pitches, and we're going from C to C, okay? And so if I stack this right here, I could play the harmony for you with the bell. So let's try a C and an E. And if you don't have bells or a piano, you could get a friend and you could sing C, la 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 la, and you can have your friend sing E, la 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 la. And if you're really good at remembering your note, sing it together and you'll make harmony. Now, if you have a third friend, you could ask them to sing the G. This third note is a G. So you've got la 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 la. Friend 2 goes la 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 la, and friend 3 goes la 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 la. When you sing them together, ready? You made a chord. Now you can do this with other combinations. We could do an A, C, and E, for example. And E. Can you hear how those 3 notes together make a nice harmonious sound? This is a chord. So that's just a little quick lesson about pitch, the highs and lows of the notes, a scale, which are notes that are neighbors, sung right one another right after each other. Harmony, when you play 2 sounds simultaneously to make a combination of pleasing sounds, and using those combinations, you can do 3 or more notes together and create a chord. So I can do more than 3 notes. I could do low C, E, A, or G, let's do G, and then a high C. So I've got these 4 together. And for our final little bit of harmony, I'll play all 4. Super fun. Hope you have a great week. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.